In this lecture, we will learn difference between software architecture and design. What is software architecture? Software architecture typically refers to the bigger structures of software systems, and it deals with how multiple software processes cooperate to carry out their tasks. What is software design? Software design refers to the smaller structures and it deals with the internal design of a single software process. By the end of this lecture, the students will develop a sound understanding of the concepts of software architecture and design concepts and will be in a position to choose and follow the right model for a given software project. We can segregate software architecture and design into two distinct phases: software architecture and software design. In software architecture, non-functional decisions are cast and separated by the functional requirements. In design, functional requirements are accomplished. Software architecture serves as a blueprint for a system. It provides an abstraction to manage the system complexity and establish a communication and coordination mechanism among components. In software design provides a design plan that describes the elements of a system, how they fit and work together to fulfill the requirement of a system.